How's everybody doing tonight? Johnny from On the Come Up Trading. Going to be going over the top watches for Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. We'll be looking at AFRM, or Affirm, DIS, Disney, SOFI, SoFi Technologies, and TSLA, Tesla. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Stream is intended for entertainment and informational purposes only. On the Come Up Trading will not be held liable for any actions you take as a result of something you saw or heard here. And with that, let's get to it. We're going to start with Affirm. This is charted on the 1 hour time frame. Affirm will be reporting earnings after market close on November 10th. We are going to play off support and resistance levels. I will probably be playing ER lottos or earnings lottos on the Affirm puts depending on the price action throughout the day. We'll look for a good entry. So if we break over 150.17, so we break over this area here, we will be looking at the 152.50 calls, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your targets will be 153.49 will be your first target. Your second target will be 156.16. And your third target will be 159.67. I'm getting these targets by drawing support and resistance zones on the chart. If you don't know how to do this, you definitely need to learn how to do this. It is very important if you are trying to scalp options. Now for the downside, if we break under 147.84, this area of support right here. Sorry, that's a little sloppy. Let me turn off magnet mode. If we break under this area of support here of 147.84, we'll be looking at the $145 puts, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target will be 145.99, which is coming from back here. Your second target would be 144.81, which is coming from here. And your third target would be $140.90, which is coming from this area here. Now we are going to move on to DIS, or the Walt Disney Company. DIS is also reporting earnings after market close on November 10th. I personally will be taking Lotto earnings call position, and I will look for a good price entry tomorrow during intraday. I am bullish on DIS, very high subscriber count for the Disney Plus subscriptions. I think we're going to see a potential upside, but this is not financial advice. Play it the way you want, plan your trade, and trade your plan, and stick to it. So if we go over 175.46, this area of resistance here, we'll be looking at the $180 calls, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target will be 176, which is coming from here. Your second target will be 177.19, which is coming from all the way back here. And your third target will be 179.63, this area of resistance here. Now, on the downside, if we break under 173.85, if we break under here, we will be looking at the 170 puts, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target would be 173.12. Your second target would be 172.57. And your third target would be 171.85. Like I said, I am bullish and will be playing earnings lottos on the call side. SoFi Technologies, SOFI. So for SoFi, earnings will also be reported after market close on tomorrow, November 10th, 2021. If we break above or over 22.33, this area of resistance here, we'll be looking at the $23 calls, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target will be 22.69. Your second target would be 22.96. And your third target would be 23.63. For the put side of the play, if we break under 21.56, so if we break under this area of support here, we'll be looking at the $20 puts, expirations Friday, November 12th. Your first target would be 21.18, which is coming from back here. Your second target would be $20.64. And your third target would be $20.07. So SoFi, I am undecided. We'll probably be playing earnings lottos on these as well. I still don't have a side made up though. It's iffy. And last but not least, Tesla. Tesla. This has been on my top watches basically every day since I started making these videos. So this is charted on the 1 hour time frame. Tesla was down overall today about $140 or roughly 12% on a overreaction or a regular reaction from Elon Musk tweeting about if he should sell 10% of his Tesla holdings or $21 billion and leaving the fate of the question up to a poll on Twitter. And I believe we are also down because Tesla was needing a correction. It was really overextended on the daily and on the weekly. The daily has came back down to earth. The weekly, we are still a little overextended from the 8 EMA. So if we break above 1045.02, so we break above this level here, we'll be looking at the 1050 calls, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target would be 1070.88. Your second target would be 1094.94. And your third target would be $1,129.50. Now for the downside, this is where it gets interesting. So if we break under $1,011.92, this area of support here, we don't really have a whole lot of support underneath that. We basically just had a huge run up, but no real pullback. So I believe if we break under $1,011, roughly in that range, or if we break $1,000, really, in my opinion, we are going to see a substantial downside all the way into the low 900 area. So key break under $1,011.92. We'll be playing the $1,000 puts, expiration Friday, November 12th. Your first target would be $910, which is coming from here. Your second target would be $900, and your third target would be $880. Talking about psychological numbers, when Tesla had this huge run up over the last month and a half, those support and resistance zones were right on the head. I mean, 910, 900, and 880. You can't get any more perfect than that for psychological numbers. So I hope everybody had a green day today. My account challenge, I increased my account about 40% today, total account value. Trying to take 5K to 25K in under a month. I am also doing videos on that with the daily stats updates about the trades I took and the percentage returns and whether it was a green or red day. If you guys like my video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. I like feedback. I like recommendations. You're not going to hurt my feelings. If you'd like to see me do something else or to create some more content, please let me know. Hope everybody's green tomorrow. The only thing that I swung was some earning lottos on Coin and Coinbase, and UPST, Upstart Holdings. I was on the call side of both of those. I went very light on my position size, and both of them tanked. So I'm probably going to be out my whole amount paid tomorrow in the morning, but I'm okay with that. On Lotto plays, do not take the trade if you are not willing to lose everything you put into it. So unless you can afford to lose 100% of that trade and it be completely worthless, do not enter into Lotto plays. They are risky and can go one of two ways, and it's either really good or really bad. Um, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's past midnight here, so I'm going to go ahead and go to bed. See you guys in the morning. Thank you. Good night.